What's up guys? I'm Waki. Welcome back to my channel again. And last time I told you guys I bought my motorcycle bike Kawasaki Ninja ZX12. So today I'm trying to ride on my bike and go to somewhere. The location is nearby the Mount Fuji in Japan. Have you ever heard that, right? And here is around the Mount Fuji, and so many bike, right? And my bike up there. Then there's so many cool, fucking cool, man. So many bike. And then today, I'm gonna meet up my old friends. He has a big motorcycle, Suzuki Hayabusa. I think over 12 or 1300. And I really want to show you guys during riding my motorcycle. Now, I have no idea how to do it, but soon I really want to share you guys my lighting. So we will see you the next next video soon. Thank you. Okay guys, I'm gonna introduce some equipment along my bike. Here, and for my smartphone, I can see a smartphone as a navigation system, and this one is 12 voltage and cigar socket. I really don't use this. And this one, and 5 voltage, the USB. I can charge my smartphone during riding. And then this one, I bought it. So when I go to my work, I have to show that my vehicle pass to security guard. So I really need to this kind of bag. This one is you know what? Just how do you say it, guys? Tell me in the comment. This one that likes the octopus shit. Okay. And then because usually nowadays this type of bag people using it magnetic something, but my bike doesn't. My bike's tank is not iron, so I mean iron, but some cover. So the magnetic stuff, it doesn't work. So that's why I use this. So today I'm off today, so just my wallet and my Wi-Fi. Yes, too small shit. Okay, and this is Japanese shit. Yeah, sounds super cool. And some people leaving. Cool. Okay, I'm waiting for my old friends. I'm I'm gonna introduce his bike soon. Okay, guys. I'm gonna introduce here. There's some shop. This one is you know what? This is Mount Fuji. So, which means the shop, you can see Mount Fuji nearby, right? Mount Fuji. Look at that things. So variety of the tasted ice cream and specific this city has the special taste of oden. So oden is like boiled so many vegetables and sausage, the variety of the vegetable boil with sauce or soy sauce. And Japan has each prefecture, not each prefecture, but some prefecture has the unique, only the city taste of this. And then next one is just a souvenir shop, but okay, this one is means this one and kind of cafe. You can sit down this chair, and this is the local, the special rice bowl. Not rice bowl, I'm sorry. Sticky, kind of rice bowl. And orange, super cheap. Tastes orange. And this is the sticky rice bowl. Yeah, this kind of that looks not chewy, but the sticky rice bowl. The inside, the sweet boiled beans, yeah, and the hot Japanese tea. It's super tasty. Okay, I'm gonna show you around here. So I'm gonna show you that this super fucking cool and street, and with a big tree, and look at that thing. So super, not elderly, but it takes over 1,000 years. Looks at super cool trees. Okay, guys. I'm gonna show you introduce this side. God road, and for pedestrian, if you ride on bicycle, you have to get off on the road. Shizuoka Prefecture. Okay, I'm gonna. Oh, I like this kind of scenery. So, have you ever been Japan before? So, of course, you guys had beautiful sight, scenery, places, and nature. But I mean, I want to share this kind of the good place. Yeah, I'm just normal Japanese dude, but yeah, I'm keep sharing with you guys. Oh, I'm gonna go back to special Lord vlog, just street. Okay, guys. I go back to from God Lord Street to another street. In the alley, do you remember? People gone, but yeah, this chair, only red chair. People can take a rest, sit down, sit ass down, take a sweet mochi and hot Japanese tea. And today is how do you say, guys? Not hot. The comfy atmosphere. So outside, super good situation for drinking hot Japanese tea and eating a sweet mochi. I'm gonna go to I'm so excited. I can show you guys right in English for you guys. What the? Oh, the legend of Harolomo. Okay, you guys can stop the video and read the description if you want. Sorry, I don't speak English, so I don't understand it. So, okay. Yo. Can you hear that? Little birds. Show you guys. Whoa. Let's go, bro. I didn't know that. How? So close to. Oh shit, bro. What the fuck? Something's torn. Some legendary rock. I don't know. Okay. You know what? Oh. Mount Fuji scenic spot. Yo. So cool. Whoa. Where's Mount Fuji? Oh no. Dude. Fuck. So, my bike shoes harder to walk here, but where is Mount Fuji? Tell me, guys. I don't care. I wanna blink you guys to hear and introduce Japanese cuisine, but yo. Okay. Let's skip by beach. Okay, bike. Okay, guys. I got a beach, right? And then, can you see it? Mount Fuji. See it? I can see it well, but yeah. You know, maybe my friend got here now, so let's move on to parking spot. So from here. Hey guys, I got a friend, two friends. He's supposed to be one friend, but look at that. Look at it, super cool.
なんかね、暑い。もう一枚脱いでもいい気すんな。でも山の中行くんだっけ今から。山っちゅう山じゃないんだよ。暑かったら途中で脱ごう。
Yeah, this is mine. Cool. What's up, guys? This is the waterfall from Mount Fuji. Water is really deep. Now I'm feeling super moist.